You do not need a higher salary to build wealth. Most people wait for a raise and stay stuck. What if you grow your money even if your income never changes? In this video, you will learn a system to build wealth starting with what you already have. You feel stuck. Same income, same bills, no progress. You work hard, you get paid, then the money disappears. Saving feels slow, investing feels confusing. Here is the truth. Wealth is not about income. It is about control. I will show you a system you can follow starting today. Your money comes in, then it goes out. Nothing stays. The problem is not your income. The problem is how money flows. If all your money leaves, you stay broke. You earn $3,000, you spend $3,000, you stay stuck. But if you keep $300, everything changes. Control your money flow first. You do not need a strict budget. You need awareness. Track your last 30 days of spending. Cut 3 things: eating out, subscriptions, impulse buys. You save $400 fast. Small cuts create space. Wealth grows in the gap between income and spending. No gap means no growth. Example: income $3,000, spending $2,600, gap $400. This $400 is your wealth engine. Protect your gap. Saving is step 1. Investing is step 2. Your money must grow. Invest $400 each month at 8%. In 10 years, you reach about $73,000. Assets grow your money over time. When you earn more, do not spend more. This is how people stay broke. Lock your savings first. Spend what is left. Keep your lifestyle stable. Time multiplies your money. Start early, even with small amounts. Invest $200 monthly for 20 years. You reach over $100,000. Time is your biggest advantage. Your salary may stay the same, but you can create extra income. Tutoring, freelancing, selling online. Even $200 extra per month makes a big difference. Extra income speeds up growth. Do not rely on discipline. Use automation. Auto-save, auto-invest, auto-pay bills. This keeps you consistent. Automation builds habits. Debt destroys your progress. High interest works against you. Pay off high-interest debt first. Protect your money. Avoid debt traps. Wealth is built slowly, not in one big move. $300 per month for years creates strong results. Consistency wins. Stay consistent. Here is your plan. Track spending. Cut 3 expenses. Create a gap. Invest monthly. Automate everything. You do not need more income to start. You need control and consistency. Start today. Your future depends on it.